See, this part here, I've got to cut just a little bit here, and I got to be careful. It looks like they've taped over the edge of the side of the box here. And I've got to clean that off because I got to get that box out of there. Okay? I've got to get my putty knife in there. Right in there. And I've got to wedge that in. I might have to take my screwdriver in there like this. And see, I'm right up against the stud. What I'm doing is I'm just trying to create a little bit of a gap up there. You know, because I've got to get back there to those nails. Because I have to cut those nails off. And then I can pull this box out. You see what I mean? So I just want to have enough room in there to be able to do that. How am I going to do that? Here's a tricky spot, another tricky spot, but I know you can do it. Here's a hacksaw blade. You're kidding, Joe. You're not going to cut that up with a hacksaw. Sure am. You got to make sure that the blade is going the right direction. And I got to reach up in there and cut that off. And I'm right up against the wall. I'm trying to have you watch this too. So, man, it's going to be kind of tough. See, that's why I got to get a gap in there. Got to get this blade back in there. And see, I don't have enough room yet. I've got to trim this edge off just a little bit. The sheetrock mud's going over the edge, so, because see, I got to pry that over just a hair, and I can't do it because that's hitting. So I guess I got to trim that off first. Jeez. You got to be careful over here because I don't want to get this too big because my cut-in box needs to fit in here, remember? So, just going to kind of look at this a little bit. I guess there's enough room behind there. Man, they got it nailed on here tight. So I got to give it a little give back there because I got to get my hacksaw blade down in there. Maybe I can reach that bottom one first. Let's see. I don't know. Let's see. I don't have enough room yet. Just gonna have to work on it. There. Okay, I know I'm hitting the nail. And the wire is going kind of down in that same vicinity, but I'm moving the wire back and forth, and I know I'm not hitting that. Last thing you want to do is to cut that wire. Okay, I'm hitting the nail, so I'm just taking this hacksaw blade and grabbing it with my gloves. I'm just going to saw that nail off. Just little short strokes here. Hang on to it tight. Come on, baby. Jeez. Ah. Oh. There. Whew. Do you see the box move? Got the bottom of that. Got the bottom of this box. See how it's moving now? Bottom of that box is cut off. Okay, now I gotta reach up in there. Oh, okay. I gotta reach up in there and do the top of that box. Whew. Is there anything so far I've showed you that you don't think you can do? I think you can do this. Okay, now I'm gonna reach up in there. I know the nail's up high in the back. I start 2/3 up, 3/4 up, and then push up in there and look in there. Okay, there it is. You hear it? You can feel it too when you're doing this. It's too tight to put it those little funky hacksaw blades with just one handle coming out. You don't need that. Just take off your hacksaw blade and do it this way. Okay, because I'm right up against the wall, and this is a good way to do it. Okay, saw away. Hang on to it. Did you eat your Wheaties this morning? Hope so. Oh, I'm getting a good workout too. No gym today. Oh, I think I've got it, Watson. Okay, now let's see if we can't get that box out of there. Jeez, boy, I'd have to trim off around this box a little bit because I got to get it to slide out of here. Got to be careful, like I said, because when that new box goes in, I want it to fit in the same opening and with the cover plate covering it too, you know? Okay, it looks like it will go. Just somehow, oh here, somehow I gotta grab that. And get that out of there. Okay, come on. Is it hitting? What's it hitting? Aha! Might have to look at it. I might have to cut this box open a little bit because the nail head might have a little flange around it, so I can't pull this out. What I may have to do, and I've done it before at another location, I may have to push this box into the wall. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's going to be tough. Because see, the last one I had, the wire was coming from the top, so I just pushed this into the wall and pushed it straight down off the wire. But right up above here is a 2x4. How high up is that? Yeah, see, it's not very high up there. So somehow I've got to either get this wire pushed out through the bottom of the box. I don't think I can because it's stapled in the wall too, you know? Got to get that box out without messing up the wall. You enjoying this video so far? I hope you are. I hope you're learning something too. That's what you're supposed to be doing here. Learn. It's the name of the game here. Okay. Just gonna see if I could somehow grab that. I'd have to push that up in the wall, maybe. See, there's insulation back there too. This is gonna be one tricky box, let me tell you. Yeah, if I could just get that wire down in there, push down. I don't think I can. What to do? Okay, let's see. Push the bottom back. Maybe I can get the top out or something. There. Ooh. Can I do it? Nope, it's hitting the... yeah, that nail. There's a flange back there where the nail is. just don't think I can wedge that out of there. Maybe I can push the bottom, the top in, pull the bottom out. Let's see here. Hey, here it comes. Look at this. Okay, I got the wire up at the right angle. Okay, look at this. Come on. Sometimes you gotta talk to it a little bit. Come on, baby. Don't give up. Never give up. Never. I tell you. Wow. Wow. Man. What's up? Can I get this out of here? Yeah, see the wires. Jeez. Almost have it. I can push it up a little bit higher. See, if this block wasn't there, I could push it up all the way and get that wire out nice and easy. Gotta be careful here. I got that wire almost out of the box. Jeez. Somehow, gotta drag that wire out of there. I'm all out of breath. My hand's just not small enough. I don't think that's gonna work. I don't think I can get it that way. I don't know. So I'm trying to push the wire back in there. Here. I guess I'm glad I got these gloves on after all. I don't know. Might have to take them off. You see, if that block wasn't up there, I could just push that straight up, pull the wire down, then fish the box out. But no go. That's why I'm trying to push the wire down the bottom. But it's just not going. Might have to try to. Maybe I can do it this way again. Maybe I can pull it out. I might have to shave off the edge of the wall around this box. Just a hair. Not very much there. Just enough to get the nail head off through there. You know? Ah. Wow. Come on. Hey. Come on. Don't get frustrated. There, look at that. See, if you start jerking, you could have broken that. Now, I think I got it. Look it. Now I can swallow this down. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Voila. You see there? See, that nail was nailed through here. So I was trying to get it over the head of those. Right there, that nail was hanging up right there. You see that? Now I can put my cut-in box in there after I do my wires, correct? Hey, that's how you gotta do things sometimes. You can't fish out of this box into somewhere else, take the box out. Now you know.